Yo, how we doing? How we doing, guys? Wednesday, hump day is here. Big day yesterday, didn't we? Big day. Probably going to be another big day today, I reckon. Literally yesterday, up all days. No trade for me yesterday in the end. The only trade opportunity that there was the previous day put in control, which I didn't take. And yeah, that would have been the trade to take, and yeah, we just went straight up after that. So yeah, there was no trades for me yesterday after the stream. And to be honest, if we just push straight up today, there's a good chance there's not going to be anything for me today either. The trade that I like the idea of is a pullback to previous day put in control. Lots of levels all in a similar sort of area. We've got previous day value area high. We've got the all-time high that we broke through yesterday, so we could have a retest of that. We've got Asia open, which is the yellow line. And then yeah, previous day put in control. So yeah, I like the idea of a long from there. But it's just if we come back down there or not. Talking 21 points on the ES. This could be something similar on the Nasdaq. There's the all-time high. 946. All the way down here on the Nasdaq, talking 96 points. This sort of similar area. Asia open previous day, value area high. Where was the all-time high then? Oh, all-time high was even further down. So yes, not sure if we'll get a trade in today, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm open to it. So how you doing, mate? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. We have got nothing really going on news-wise other than Trump speaking. Refreshing this just to see if there's anything else. So we've got crude oil inventory, it's not going to affect us. And Trump speaking at 4:15 my time, which is 11:15 New York time. So I should be done by then. The only thing is, could be a bit choppy up until that point. But where it's a little bit later in the session, I feel like we could maybe have a decent move, and then by the time we get to sort of maybe 11 AM New York time, we can start chopping, get a bit range bound until he speaks and is done. So yeah, it's going to be a case of get the trade in nice and early, and hopefully be done for the day. I officially finished work this morning, so I've got nearly 3 weeks off now. Completely 3 weeks off. It's fucking gonna be amazing. Catch up on some sleep. Right, we've got 1 minute. 1 minute to open. The poll was saying long at the minute. I'm leaning towards long. I'm definitely open to the idea of an initial pullback, but I don't know if we'll get it or not. I'd like to think we will, but who knows. But I think overall, I'm a long bias on the day. Looking quite strong into the open as well. We're pushing up all morning. Pushing up in the pre-market. Maybe that's a sign for a little pullback, but and we're open. We are open. About 10 minutes before the start of the stream, I fucking suddenly heard thunder. Storm had just suddenly appeared out of nowhere. It's supposed to be sunny today. And you had to run and panic, get the washing in quick. And literally as I was coming in, it started pissing down. Lucky really. But yeah, nothing's really been going on today. Trump's been speaking about who he's going to get to replace the Mr. Powell. How many was it? It was like 11 candidates for when he finishes his term in May, I believe it was. So a little while yet. Oh, let's get this poll ended. 100% reckon long. See, I come in with the long bias, which everyone else thinks is going to be long bias. Gets me a little bit concerned that maybe we won't be long bias. Market would do the opposite of what everyone's thinking. Maybe. I mean, strong start though, isn't it, so far? We are off, man. We are off. Wonder how many people will be trying to short this today. I think they'll get absolutely ruined, I think. I think it's the one thing you can probably say with confidence that no one is really any good at doing. I don't imagine anyway. Calling tops in uncharted territories. I don't see how anyone could do it. Unless you're looking at like round figures. Like say 7,000 on ES or... You know what I mean? Big round numbers. Other than that, I don't see any way you can really do it. But people will still try it. Right, let's get a following profile pulled over. How to view intraday drawdown, tape off a trader. What are you on? Are you on trading view or Tradeify? On your dashboard it should be intraday. I'm not sure if you can do it on trading view. On Tradeify you can quite easily do it. Trading view, yeah, I don't know how to do it on trading view. Let me see if I can have a play around. Log in quickly. I have to download Tradeify. I know you can do it with Tradeify. There might be a way you can do it on TradingView though. Go to potentially under, obviously you've got your trading panel, and then go to account summary. There's a load of options there with available margin and stuff like that. I'm not sure if one of them would be maintenance margin. On Tradeify it's called drawdown auto, and then you've also got distribution drawdown as well, so you can see like how much you've got left. So you can see that you've got $500 until you blow it, kind of thing, and stuff like that. So Tradeify is quite good for it. I mean, even if it's a case of you download Tradeify purely just to see your drawdown, you don't have to trade off of it, but just to have your accounts up and you can see it live as it's updating. You can still use TradingView. Having trouble logging into Tradeify. You've got to, when you log in, it will give you the option of live or sim trading. Want it? Make sure you click on sim trading because it's a sim account. But it should be your same username and password that's on that you use to log into TradingView when you log into Tradeify through TradingView. Thank you, no worries, mate. But yeah, it's on Tradeify, it's called, what I've got on mine is drawdown auto and dist drawdown, which I'm assuming is distribution drawdown. Under the accounts tab. Yo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? How was yesterday for you, Leo? Did you long the whole day? I feel like you're one that could have pulled it off. The EMA traders would have won yesterday, I think. They ran in the short at the start, then got the long wrong a few times, then got it right. You only need to get it right once, mate. You only need to get it right once. Doing better with green. Good man. Good man. It's a good thing with like big trending days like that. You can get it wrong a few times, but if you get it right once, you can have a good day still. Trying to lock the drawdown on Apex Arco. You in the intraday stage here? Maybe I'll lock the drawdown on the 50k. Nice, man. Maybe 50k will take more time, yeah. Strong start then to the day so far. Nasdaq struggling a little bit. ES is, I think, looking a little bit stronger. Going along on the all-time highs right now. It's fucked up. It's a hard one, isn't it? Because it can quite easily go about you, but you can quite easily get burnt as well. It's always such a hard one to play. But the only thing I'm thinking is I think everyone is going to be thinking long. Everyone's going to be probably jumping in quite early. I wouldn't be surprised if it does slap back down, but obviously you make far more money than I do, mate, so don't take my word for that. Trouble is that you can't just sit there and sit on the sidelines the whole time, can you? It's not fun to, at least. But as long as you've got tight stops, it'll be fine anyway. You always do, don't you? But I think what I'm hoping for is a stall here, aggressive slap back down towards that point of control level, and then a nice little long entry, and then I can do it at once. Fuck me. We've got thunder going on here and it sounds like it just blasted through my roof. I've been in for a bit. How's it going, Sam? Yeah, not too bad, mate. Just taking it easy. How am I doing on the month? I think I'm up about 1 hour on the funded this month so far. Challenge account is on a bit of a pause at the minute. I've started another one because I'm trying something new. And I haven't been focusing really on the other one. I've got it down to hardly any drawdown left. I've got about 500 drawdown left on it. And I think it rebuilds in about a week, so I'm going to be full porting it at some point soon. But yeah, it's in good spirits though, mate. Cracking on. Turning up every day. And yeah, where I've been just trading the funders more, I've been focusing a lot more on just the AA plus setups, and even if it just means like one trade a day, if that, then being more patient with it, which seems to be going quite well. So only setup that I like the look of today, buckled wheel, is a slap back down to previous day point and control, and then a quick little long from there is what I'm thinking, but I don't know if we'll get it. NQ is looking a bit weak. ES is still looking strong though, so why I'm a strong ES is forming green candle, still an NQ showing reversal patterns, all messed up. Yeah. The trouble is you don't have a clue what's leading to at that point. Is NQ going to lead the show and everything else is going to follow, or is NQ just having a bit of a weak moment and then we'll get a slap to the upside in a minute? Steady rather than reckless YOLO, and then yeah, pretty much. I mean, I'm not normally too much recklessly YOLOing anyway, most of the time. Yeah, I mean, definitely on the funders I don't do that. And yeah, I mean, on the funders, back up to 800s again on the account balance. Feels like it's been a while since I've seen that, but I feel like I've been stuck in the 700s range for ages, so slowly building them back up. What about you, mate? How's it going for you? You're more of a higher time frame trader, aren't you? How have you been finding it recently? Just long and everything at the minute? Or have you just, I bet you've had no entries, have you? I find it hard to get entries when we're just straight up. Right, NQ has just swept the opening candle. Maybe that's all it needed. Looking at possible RSI divergence, could be a pullback coming potentially, mate. Potentially. I wouldn't be surprised when everyone is bullish. At least a brief pullback wouldn't be surprising. I think he's having a bit of a bounce. See how sustained it is. That was fucking off, man. Jesus. Yeah, no entry is very frustrating. Yeah, I can understand that, man. But it sounds like you're being good and patient, though. Lots of people would just find anything long anywhere. So it's good that you're being patient and waiting. A strong 5-minute close, 20 minutes in. Hard to keep going long after such an extended run up. Yeah. Trouble is, though, it's a sort of area where it does just keep going. I think it surprises everyone sometimes, doesn't it? It does just keep going and going and going. Until it doesn't. I mean, we've only just broken back in towards time highs after a little bit of a pullback, haven't we? So I think we could definitely do a bit of running with it. Maybe not today, but over the next week or so. Clean bar on the NQ right now. ES rocking up. Rocket in and NQ was down at the EMAs, yeah. And we've had a nice bounce off the on the NQ, haven't we, mate? A nice bounce, nice 1-minute close there. I don't even have EMAs off my chart anymore, Leo. I try and avoid them. Find it distracting if I'm looking at the volume profile levels. It's just gets too much. But you can work out, I think, a lot of the time where they are anyway. Doesn't feel good, don't use it. Yeah, nothing against them, just for taking a little break at least from them, trying other things, and yeah, I need to completely stop looking at them, otherwise I get distracted. When you went too far to the EMAs. Yeah, potentially. Went too far too fast, was doing too well off them, and then wasn't doing well. Signals for 4th of September, October could be very volatile, yeah. Yeah, I mean, me and Leo were talking about it yesterday, Buckle Will, and I think we're both feeling like we're due for a pullback potentially September as the rate cut decision comes in. We were sort of saying that either way, we feel like we're due a pullback. If we get the rate cut, we're probably going to get a sell the news kind of vibe and a sell off from it. And there's always a possibility that Powell turns around and says, "Nah, fuck your rate cut," and I think we'll get a bit of a dump then as well. So yeah, I'm feeling there's Jackson Hole, I think the 21st of August, which I assume, I'm pretty sure Powell speaks at. I'm pretty sure that's the next time he's due to speak. So potentially what he says then, if he starts going on about no, still see no reason to cut rates, could get very messy then. Impulse going to 6610, do you reckon? Yeah, potentially, man. Potentially. We are looking very strong. NQ is looking okay, I think. That's nice. Wicks pushing towards the upside, but we're haven't taken the initial open high yet, have we? Big red candle, big red candle. That was a nasty one. Would have been some people stopped out there, I think. One-time target for ES 6843, do you reckon? I mean, it's not too far, is it really? Definitely doable. Taco, good morning, mate. How you doing? Just over 5% easy doable in this market. Yeah, that could be a week, couldn't it? Taco, how was your day yesterday? Did you play it sensibly still? Can't remember how you were when I left. I'm sure you was I don't know if you're taking a trade or maybe small loss potentially. I can't remember now. You had a few missed ones, didn't you? Well, I think we're going to get a little bit of a sell-off here, aren't we? Hopefully come back to my my levels. NQ's looking pretty heavy. What should I use, mate? I'm currently doing volume profile, previous day, point of control, value area, high, low, and stuff like that. Only setup that I'm really liking the look of today is a long from the previous day point of control. Just looking for a quick little one-to-one. Nasdaq's looking a little bit weaker at the minute. Good trading is passing, larger accounts, so you're used to trading high capital with an account balance that high, so you're comfortable with when you're growing a funded account. Yeah, it's a good way to do it, mate. But you find it helped. Trump speaks today at 11:15. Yes. I'm hoping I'll be done by then. But you never know. Anyway, it's boiling here, so I'm off. Cool down, take care, and let's hope to keep it green. See you later, Backwall, man. Take care. Take it easy. Cheers for stopping by, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Yes, looking quite strong again, aren't we? Not sure if we'll get down there. After me lads, I hate English summer, man. Yeah, it's brutal in it at the minute. Brutal. Anyone else have a bit of a storm today? Literally about 10-15 minutes before the stream was starting. Fucking suddenly thunder was going off. I had to run out and get the washing in quick. Literally as I was coming back in, it started pissing down. Good timing, really. But it wasn't forecasted, so I don't know what happened. Wish man, it's 1,000 degrees where I'm at. Why can't it just be a good heat? Yeah, it's always shitty heat in it in England. It's always shitty heat. Just that humid air, innit? Oh. Thick air houses done like saunas yet. I don't understand why we don't do aircon in the UK. Why are we not, like, everywhere in the US has got aircon built in pretty much, isn't it? I don't know why we're not an aircon country. We bought an aircon machine for the bedroom, mate, and honestly one of the best purchases I've ever made. Nothing worse than being too hot at night when you're trying to sleep, and yeah, get yourself a little aircon unit. Just like a little portable one, do you know what I mean? You have to stick a hose out the window, but well worth it. Yeah, I think it feels a bit cooler today here, to be honest. I think it's because it's been overcast all day. And yeah, we've had a bit of rain now as well, so it does definitely feels cooler. I would, but I live in an area where the likelihood is I'll have some tramp climbing and steal my socks. Okay, I get that. I get that. Can't take the risk with your socks, man. Looking decently heavy now, aren't we? I have no socks, my shoelaces would be gone and they'll probably raid my fridge for milk. UK in a bit. Saying that, mate, I was in Egypt on holiday years and years ago, and I bought some wet shoes to do the old snorkeling, the old coral reefing, and left them out on the little terrace overnight, and they were back and gone the next morning. Not safe anywhere, man. Let's try and stealing wet shoes next level. They'll probably resell them in the Egyptian market still as your toe DNA yet. They'd have been straight onto the black market the next day, wouldn't they? The wet shoe black market. Oh man, the tea is freezing now. Where's the one place you'd want to go on holiday, like the dream holiday location? I feel like mine's got to be like the Seychelles or something like that. Hawaii, I would quite like to do. Somewhere really green. Nice beaches. Okay, if I like to exist like Castaway, just give me a netball and some paint and I'm good. That'd be a brutal way of life. Yeah, I'm enjoying them on North Sentinel Island, man. That'd be good fun. All over Italy for me and travel the US by car. Yes, I'd love to do a US road trip, to be fair. You couldn't do it in a car, you got to do a little motorhome or something. RV. Yes, Italy does look really nice, to be fair. Wouldn't mind doing Italy. The Cannibals ate some hippie in the 80s and 90s. He went there and tried to buy one of their sacred bombs. Yeah, I know they kill anyone on sight, don't they? That's why I said it'd be good fun. I'm looking at buying in Italy because the population is decreasing. They're selling so much property for like 8,000. Yeah, I've seen them. There's a couple of years ago they were doing the whole like £1 houses and stuff, weren't they? Up in the rural villages where no one wants to live. I think that the deal with them though, you had to basically agree to put like 100 grand in renovation and stuff like that, and live there for a certain amount of years and and shit like that. But yeah, I mean, just general cheap ones, 8,000 ideal. But I mean, a lot of Europe is a lot cheaper. Bulgaria is really cheap, and that's quite a nice country as well. Looking for an area called Perugia. With trading, you can live anywhere. Mountains, beaches, properties have been on the market for ages, so negotiation is easy yet. Good luck to you, man. I hope it all works out. But yeah, that's the dream, innit, is be profitable at trading and then move to wherever the fuck you want to. Yeah, work from anywhere, doesn't matter. Got a good sell last night. Exited on Tradeify on my phone at work. And then closed my buy limits on one account. The other account's got some extra profits fixed. And me and I closed later. Okay. Gonna be risky. Could have entered and went the opposite direction. I'm sad. Yeah, I thought you were gonna say held overnight and you lost the account or something. Broke the rule. And it's a little bit of a chop fest now, isn't it? We're getting down there, but looking at Bulgaria, you can buy land houses there for like 3,000. Yeah, man. Whole village on the market for max 10,000. Just want to live away from people. Some sheep, a cow, chickens be free. Yeah, mate. Sounds perfect to me as well. I've always wanted to do that. The wife isn't quite as keen, but yeah, Bulgaria looks really nice as well. Nice nice green countryside, mountains. I think the people are quite nice. And yeah, I think there's lots of, I mean, I skied there when I was younger, so you can ski there. I'm pretty sure they've got like summer beach resorts as well, so you can do all sorts there. It's a good mixture of terrain, do you know what I mean? And then yeah, like nice cheap houses up in the mountains, nice and green, yeah, away from everyone. Sloth, you've probably seen it. If you haven't, your new favourite TV programme is Ben Fogel's New Lives in the Wild. It's honestly been my probably favourite TV programme for as long as I can remember. Quality programme. Basically just British people, not even necessarily British actually, just people moving away from the rat race and going and living in a hut in the woods basically. Thing about Eastern Europe. In the UK my whole life it was Eastern Europe is terrible. And it's just nice, good weather, good landscape, close to the med. Yeah. The ideal, man, isn't it? Right, we are slowly approaching my level. I'm going to get, I think, a limit order set up in case we come down quite quick. Alright, what mine? I'm on micros. 2 contracts. Yeah, I'm just literally putting that up for you, Sloth. This. Honestly, if you're about that life, man, this would be honestly your favourite programme. There's a shitload of seasons on my 5 or 5, whatever the fuck it's called. You can go back and catch up with most of them. And yeah, honestly, absolute quality. Does it all around the world. There's episodes in Bulgaria, South America, Spain, I think. Lots in the US, Canada and stuff like that. It's, yeah, amazing program. On Tradeify, my TR max drawdown reads as 3880 on 150k to profit account. Does that mean I have 3,880 left, or am I about to hit my 4,500 and lose the account? 2 seconds, mate. Let's have a look. TR max drawdown? I can't see TR on mine. Max drawdown reason. Yeah. I would take that as you've got 3,880 left, but don't take my word for it. You should be able to quite easily work it out. Obviously, how much are you? I suppose it depends on how much you've been in unrealized gains and stuff. Then I suppose. But yeah, have a look for if you go onto account, go onto view settings, which is a little cog, and then you can then select columns. You want to drag over distribution drawdown net liquidity, and that should tell you how much you've got left until you've lost the account. Got 300 from that pull down. Like when you're in and you're out that quick, yes, mate. It makes life a lot nicer, doesn't it? You haven't got to worry about it. Makes life a lot nicer. Yeah, we're looking quite heavy. It looks like we're order could potentially be filled. But how's I treating you these days? How you doing, mate? Yes, not too bad, mate. I'm plodding on, battling through. I'm up about 1 hour on the funded this month so far. Just taking it slow, taking it easy, and just taking the A+ setups basically. What about you? How's life treating you, man? Yesterday sat for 4 hours, nothing's so high up. Monday wasn't great. Today weren't good. Went good. Oh, good, man. Yeah, yesterday was a hard one to trade. I think straight up days are difficult. You trading SP or NAS? ES on the fundeds. I'm trading the NASDAQ on this challenge account that I'm doing, trying something new. At about break even on the day so far. Been a short on the on NASDAQ. Just wondering if I should close it here. I'm just trying to sort of keep an eye on it. Sort of do nothing day, rather have days go by where I miss moves versus lose. Yep, that's how you keep the accounts, man. Good mindset to have. Yeah, this meeting in Alaska could be interesting on Friday. Got the Trump and Putin meeting. Got me, it's a pretty cool situation. President of the US, dictator of Russia, meeting in Alaska. Something like a Bond villain situation. Yeah, man. All they should do is just do them in and end it all right there and then. Trouble is, someone will just take over from Putin, won't they, and carry it on. Could be someone even worse. Oh, what time is Trump speaking? 11:30, innit? 11:15, 11:30? 11:15. A very good theory of a solution for all wars, but people will think I'm joking. Go on then, let's hear it, let's hear it. What they should do is just the government should fight their own wars. One-on-one boxing match or something. Cage fight. Zelensky and Putin. All these guys on a situation room, let them sweat a little 30 minutes, them looking at each other. Just one sit on the point of the table empty after half an hour of silence. And then play gay chicken. First to back out loses the war. Walks in Sydney Sweeney, stunning red dress, beautifully rid, and she says, "Stop this shit." Yeah, I mean, it's hard to think that that's not a joke, but I wouldn't be surprised. It's a good idea. Bam, it's over. Yeah. $25 a day. It took a big loss in Asia and gold, brought it back. Plus in London and New York, Nas. That was nice, man. Nice. Yeah, it's a good day to short the Nas, man. Stock markets all over the world rising. Bitcoin hits 500k in a day. Fireworks. That thing gets its own country. All from one person. What are we reckoning them, boys? We reckon we're bottoming here. Bottoming here. I don't like these levels. I'd think it would keep going down. That's what I'm leaning towards. I'm just wondering if I want to close my short or not that I'm on Nasdaq, but yeah, I'm not convinced by the hold. There's not really been much volume. We've had it on the micros, but just go on to normal ES. Had a bit of a volume spike on the way down, but nothing major. Just swept some levels, see anything, but could definitely get a little bit of a push up, maybe rejection from here. Minute after too pretty of a hammer on the NQ, did it? Yeah. Volume is building here a little bit as well. Yeah, we are at previous day value high on the NQ. There's definitely no we could reverse, but the fact that Trump's speaking is getting on my nerves, because I guarantee he'll start speaking as we're down here. Yes, made a fresh new low. I think the market is going to stop those buyers. Yep, just like that, mate. And we have. We must stop down to above that high on the 5 minute. Practice accounts are great when you trade it alongside the real one. Get rid of the FOMO yet. Yeah, there's nothing better than taking a practice account and trade and it being a loss, and then you being grateful you didn't take it on the actual account. This is a fucking nasty old wick on the 5 minute. That happens, those you won't trade that day. It's just a sign I'm not reading the charts right. Yeah, mate, that's a good way to do it. I'll try and do that with the levels that I trade off. If we get one or two that we've just blasted straight through, I know that the next one that I'll try and take is not going to be probably not going to be respected either. Right, 20 minutes until Trump starts speaking. He probably will be late as he always is, but market tends to get choppy when we're near that level, don't we? So near him speaking. You hear they changed the payout rules to 550 days over 200. I think that's decent. Yeah, man, I think that is good. I don't think it applies to me though. I think it's new accounts only, I think, which is a shame. I'd use all the help I can get. I think the rules were if you're currently trading after passing combines, it still applies. No, currently trading after passing combines. I'm not sure. I'm sure someone reached out to them and asked, I think. But I'm not sure. Obviously, I've had mine for like over a year now, so I don't know if it would count. I don't have the new dashboard or anything like that, so. But yeah, any new combines it will work for. But yeah, it's definitely better than the 200, isn't it? better that they move away from that, I think. So legacy dashboard versus a new dashboard. I don't know what either are. No, I assume the legacy one was the OG one that they've always had, and the new one is the new one that they've got. Come on, let's get another big slap to the downside. Get him before Trump starts speaking. Oh, we're just gonna get choppier and choppier, aren't we, until fucking he starts speaking. Hate being range bound. I'm out of that Nasdaq short, 200 up on that. Just got out of the bottom of that range. I feel like we could dump down, but I feel like we could also just fucking range bound until he's done with his speech. And yeah, after how he slapped back up on that 10:45 bar. I don't want to be involved again. There we go, we're fucking slapping down now. Typical. In the car shop to get work done. I could have caught some. You're always a busy man, aren't you? I feel like I'm going to cancel out of this. Trump's speaking soon. It could get very volatile. At the very least, it could get very choppy. And yeah, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it. There we go. Pushing down now, Nasdaq. I've cancelled my order. Closed out. Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to call it a day there. I think this trade could potentially play out, but yeah, I'm not wanting to sit and find out with Trump getting on the mic soon. Sorry, it's another boring one. It's difficult when we're at all-time highs because we push up away from the levels and there isn't much opportunity. I might bring over this new strategy I'm doing tomorrow though on the live stream. We'll see. We shall see. Just wanted to get a feel for it without the stream really first. And yeah, I'm enjoying it, I think. So yeah, I might bring it over tomorrow. But yeah, if there's anything later on, sort of in the PM session after Trump's finished, I might take something. But if I do, I'll update in Discord. But yeah, it's just poor timing as usual. It's how it is, and it's how it goes. Yes, I'll see you all tomorrow for Thursday. Take it easy. See you later, Sloth Man. And yeah, cheers for stopping by, and good luck if you're still trading. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. See you later.